Hey everyone, my name is Lucy May, but you can call me Lou if that's what you want to do, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I created this pink liner situation. I don't even know what to call this, but it's cute. This is what I created today, so if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Hey! Jumping right into the video, I'm going to start off with my eyes, and of course I'm going to be using my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. This is my OG, if you know, you know. And I'm going to apply this to my lids, and as always we're going to go under the brow with this. Okay, next up is eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and I'm going to go in with that shade Passion. No, I'm sorry, that's Forever. And as you can see on the other eye, I just outlined my eye like with a little wing. So that's exactly what I'm going to do on this side. I'm just shaping out my eye and I'm going to wing it out. Okay, so now I have to make this eye look like that eye. And this is what it looks like so far. Now we're going to go into the shade Forever, and this is in the same palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and blend out the edges of, Jesus, I can't talk. I'm going to take Forever and blend out the edges of Passion, just like I'm doing here. And per usual, I'm going to go back in with our first shade, Passion, to re-intensify that shade because we did lose some of that color when we used Passion. I finished the other eye off camera, and these are what the eyes look like so far. So now we're going to create a wing, but with eyeshadow. So I'm going to take that shade Create right there, and we're just going to do a wing with this flat brush. This is going to help a lot, and we're just going to create a wing right under where we created that first outline. You'll see it, you'll see it. Okay, so all I'm doing here is perfecting the line of my wing and the shape that I want. After I do that, I'm just going to fill it in, and then I'm going to go back into our first shade, Forever, and then I'm going to put it where the line is of the wing, so that way the purple and the pink ties in together. This needs something. It's missing a little something. So I'm going to take the Smashbox Cosmetics Covershot Ablaze palette, and I'm going to take that pink shade called not Fiesta, it's Siesta. That shade right there, and I'm going to add it to the middle of the lid. So the pink shade wasn't bright enough. As you can see, it's not showing up. So I'm going to take this Megaglo highlighter by Wet n Wild. This is in Precious Petals, and that's what it looks like, and I just added that on top. So now you can see it, and it's a given, period. On to lashes. These are just some no-name lashes I got from Aliexpress. This is the Duo Glue. You already know what time it is with this. And for the mascara, this is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. So now I'm going to just apply my mascara, put some lashes on the glue. Put glue on the lashes, apply the lashes, and that's going to be that. These are the eyes with the lashes. We not even gonna talk about it because it just took me the longest time to put these lashes on for no reason. So now we're gonna go on to the brows. I'm gonna use the Revolution Soap Styler, and I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of face spray. That was the Mario Badescu face spray. I just sprayed it a little bit to get it going. The little brush that comes with it, I just put some on there, and then I'm just gonna brush my brows up. So this is new. This is the E.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. I'm in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to apply this over top of that brow styler. I really like this. This was really good. It was my first time, so I'll keep y'all updated. But for now, I really like that. So I'm going to just do what I normally do. But when you have the soap stuff on your eyebrows, you want to make sure you don't brush it up too much because you're going to disturb the product, and then it's going to be... what's the point? So I'm just going to fill in my brows like I normally would, but I'm just not going to brush them up so much. So this is the brows. I'm gonna go do the other one off camera, and then we're gonna move on to the face. For primer, I'm going to be using the Tarte base tape. I think that's what it's called. I didn't show y'all because something wasted on it and it just looks so dirty, and no. So I'm just going to take this, rub it in, and then I'm going to pat it into the skin. Next is my corrector. You already know. This is by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to take this in the corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to take a blending brush, a flat blending brush to, not a blending brush, a flat concealer brush to blend it out. On to concealer, not concealer, what is going on? Foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in this shade 312 Golden. I'm just going to dot this all over my face, and I'm going to use my EcoTools Total Perfecting Blender Sponge to blend it out. When you apply your foundation, don't forget to bring some down onto your neck and get your ears. Okay, we're on to concealer for real this time. This is the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer by L'Oreal, and I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my forehead, bridge of the nose, and I'm going to blend it out with a brush. On to powder. This is the Mannakadar Beauty HD Perfecting Powder, and I'm just going to set all of the places where we just put that concealer, and of course we're going to set that with a brush. Now that we set the under eyes, I'm going to go back and finish off the eyes. So for the liner, this is the Aero Enhanced Waterproof Eyeliner in Bright Now. This shade is like a baby pink. It's bright. I'm going to put that in my waterline just to open up the eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to go back into our 39A palette, and I'm going to use that shade Create, and I'm going to put that under the eye. And I'm just going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And these are the eyes finished. And I must say, that looks great. Because I was a little scared at first. Okay, on to contour. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. And I'm going to use that shade right there. And I'm going to contour. So I'm going to go on the sides of my cheekbones, perimeter of the forehead. And I'm going to use this for my nose contour as well. Now it's time to bronze. This is the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Bronze Glow. And I'm going to apply that everywhere where we just applied the contour. For blush, this is the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to take that brown shade and that pink shade, mix them together. I didn't want the blush to be too pink, so that's why I used that brown shade to tone it down just a little bit. For a highlight, this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and I'm going to use that shade Treasure, and I'm going to apply this to the highest points of my face. FYI, this is an eyeshadow palette, but I only use it for highlight. So I'm just going to go on the sides of my cheekbones. I'm going to put a little bit over the brow for that extra glow. I'm going to put some on the bridge of my nose, tip of the nose, and I'm going to do the Cupid's bow. And I use my finger for the Cupid's bow. Now we're moving on to the lips, and we are almost finished. So for lips, this is the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. I'm just going to line my lips with this. Then I'm going to be using the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in collab with Madison Miller in the shade Oh My Rai. It's like a mauve pink kind of color. I'm just going to apply that, and this is some Ruby Kisses gloss. This is the crystal gloss in the shade Diamonds and Pearls, and to set everything, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter in Summer Solstice. Now I'm just going to fan it down. I couldn't find my fan, and I'm about to go get cute. I'll be right back. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I just paired it with this purple top because sometimes when you do pink on top of pink, it's just too much. So the purple did it for me, and it matched my nails. This is a close-up of what the eyes look like. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check the description box for a list of everything I used today. And I will see you in my next video.